This is the Brio World Fun on the Farm starter set, and in this video I'm going to show you what comes with it, how you build it, and show you it in action. It includes everything you need to start you off in the world of Brio. A farm building, plenty of track including a tunnel, a battery powered train engine, 2 carriages, some livestock, fences, and even a farmer. Building the set is really easy, and it takes up an area of about 0.5 by 1 metre once complete. You start by putting the long straight piece of track through the tunnel. The smaller straight wooden and plastic pieces then go either end of it. The curved straight pieces go over the top to form a kind of X shape. From here, it's just a question of adding all the curved pieces in a figure of 8 pattern. The stable building is held up by a little slot in the side of the bale stack. As with all other Brio trains, the carriage is linked with magnets. The train takes a AAA battery, and you insert it by undoing the screw inside the funnel. You start it with a little switch on top which can go forward or backwards, and off we go! I would highly recommend this set. It will be perfect as a gift, and my daughter, who is just under 2, loves it. It's usually priced around £30, and I've put a link in the description below to where you can buy it. Please hit the subscribe button to be notified of my latest videos, and thank you for watching!